Hi everyone, this is Etta here from Coldwell Banker Realty. I am here at Lakewood National and I'm visiting with Rich today so he can tell us about some of the remaining floor plans they have here in this community and talk about the amenities. Hi Rich, how are you?
Good, you?
I'm doing great. I'm excited for us to take a tour of your Angelina and get more information about what's left. So I'm inside of the Angelina model here at Lakewood National. And Rich is going to tell us all about this model and the other models that are left in the Lakewood National community. They're just about sold out.
That's correct. We have 7 homes left. We're in the Angelina model right now. This is 2,061 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath home. As you'll see from the video, very expansive, open floor plan. I have one of these left on site 365. It is a beautiful water view, such as this one is. But we do have several other floor plans still available. As I said, 7 homes left, and they will range from 1,800 square feet through 2,200 square feet. So still a few to choose from.
Rich, this Angelina model just sold, but you have one more Angelina left on lot 365. Would you tell us what you would get in that Angelina?
Lot 365 is on a beautiful lake view. Exactly the same kitchen as you see here in terms of layout. You're going to have white cabinets. You're going to have a tumbled marble backsplash. You have granite countertops. All the same stainless steel appliances as you see. Tile throughout the home. So it is loaded up and it's going to come out absolutely gorgeous. And we're about a month away from completion on that home. So if you're interested, get with Etta or myself, and we can talk about details and price. Like I said, that's the last Angelina I have out here in Lakewood National.
Sounds great. And I see that this is a gas community.
It is a gas community, so you have direct gas there, and also the outdoor kitchen, which is included on all of our single family homes. They are a gas line as well, so you're never going to run out of gas while cooking those burgers.
So how about the pool? Will there be a pool?
On 365 there is
yes.
no pool. There's plenty of room for an aftermarket pool, and like I said, it's got a beautiful lake view. So if somebody wanted to add a pool with a nice panoramic screen on after the fact, it's a very nice premium home site.
That sounds amazing, Rich. Thank you. So everyone, I'm just going to take you on a quick little tour of the owner's suite first. And I'm showing that there's tray ceilings in there. Very nice size master bedroom or owner's suite. You can see that there's the sliding door that takes you out into the lanai. And you're going to get some really nice natural lighting as well. So now we're going into the master bath. There's a closet here to the left as well as one to the right. They're both walk-in closets. You have your soaker here, which is nice, and your double sinks and your nice Roman shower. As you come in through the front door, you're going to see to the right, of course, your dining room, and then to the left is an office, or you can even use that as a bedroom. It has the window and closet there. Then you have another full bath. And of course another bedroom with lots of windows, lots of beautiful natural light. From your garage, you will enter into your laundry room. As you can see, it comes with the sink and the appliances. Again, Rich, this is a beautiful home. Just curious, how tall are the ceilings?
So in here you have the 8-foot doors with the 10-foot ceilings. So it gives it even more kind of feeling of openness as well as the actual layout itself. So that makes a big difference when people walk in.
Absolutely. Also, the garage, two-car garage, correct?
Two-car garage, the floor comes epoxied, painted and epoxied with a tankless water heater.
Perfect. Thank you. So, Rich, now we're going into the Isabella model, correct?
That's correct. So this one is 2,246 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a den. So slightly larger than the Angelina. The model is currently available, and I have one more across the street that is available also. So
Perfect.
come on in and check it out.
Rich, all right, you said that the Isabella model is available for sale, correct?
That's correct.
And
so
that would be this one.
it would be this one as it is. So this one went on the market as of yesterday. It is fully furnished, it's turnkey. All the furniture you see comes with the home, all the trim work, the mirrors, even the fake apples come with this home. So that would be a separate package. But if somebody is unwilling to go shopping for all the furniture, simple, easy, walk in and boom, start living.
Awesome. That sounds like a winner for a lot of people who don't want to deal with
Absolutely.
moving and packing.
Absolutely.
Let's go take a look at the main living area. To the left here is the separate dining room. And the Isabella floor plan also has this open concept. You can see the gourmet kitchen with the stainless steel appliances. You see the double oven there, granite countertop. You have the vented hood, and you have the nice open space. What's really nice about the Isabella also is the large sliding doors that's bringing in a lot of natural lighting. We're entering the owner suite. This door takes you right into the lanai. You have tray ceiling in your master bedroom as well. Nice natural lighting coming in here. Let's take a look at the master bath now. So now we're going to go check out the other 2 guest bedrooms and the full bath. Rich, this was a great tour of both the Angelina and the Isabella. The Isabella has 3 bedrooms and a den. So could you tell me about the den?
Correct, sure. The den set up right now, as you see here, as it's our office, as a true den with a desk in it. Does have a window, does have a nice walk-in closet, so if need be, you could turn it into a 4th bedroom.
Wow, wouldn't this be a nice space for you if you worked remotely from home? So this finalizes our tour. Before I leave, would you tell us about the community, what it has to offer, and the fees?
Sure. So this is a golf bundled community. It's got 36 holes of Arnold Palmer designed golf. There is no buy-in. It is all part of your HOA fees. The HOA fees also include full yard maintenance, so there's no need to cut your grass or landscape or anything like that. All that is for basically $462 a month. Full membership to the club, use of all the amenities. We've got 7 pools here. Obviously, we've got the large resort style pool, the tiki bar, the 24-hour fitness center, the day spa, fitness center. You've got everything. Tennis, pickleball, you name it, we have it. It's very much resort style living. So all that is included in $462 a month, which is an absolute bargain.
Awesome. And are there CDD fees?
CDD fee is going to be part of your tax bill every year, which comes out to about $2,400 per year.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that information.
My pleasure.
I'm sure everyone here enjoyed the tour. At least I hope you did. And you found it to be valuable in your search for your new home. Come visit Lakewood National real soon because
We're almost sold out.
that's right. Okay, everyone, you just saw the models and you met with Rich. I'm here now at Lakewood National's Pro Shop, and I'm here with Nate
Griffin, hi everybody.
and Abdul,
Edie.
right?
Hi.
And these are Nate is our director of,
Racket Sports here at Lakewood National, and these are our assistant pro. And welcome you to come out and talk with us anytime about our tennis programs or pickleball programs. It's really a great club here, and we'd be happy to have you.
that's awesome. Nate, could you tell everybody about what you have to offer in terms of leagues and things, just in case people are interested?
Absolutely, we have all kinds of leagues, a lot of junior activity on the adult side. We have ladies teams, men's teams, pickleball teams, tennis teams, mixed doubles, daytime, evening, quite a few offerings.
And you also have great classes, pros like you and Abdul
Yep.
also provide
Yeah.
classes for those who are wanting to perfect their game
We've got-
or just starting.
Yep, plenty of clinics, adult clinics, junior clinics, same tennis and pickleball. So be happy to have you.
Thank you so much, Nate.
Yeah, you're welcome.
We'll
Have a
see
great
you.
day.
You too. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of Lakewood National. I hope you enjoyed the model homes as well as the amenities. If you have any questions or would like to know more about this community, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.